Hi, I'm Scott,
And I'm Jeremy.
and this is Project Cook.
Project
No, don't.
Cook is a channel about cooking and a little bit of comedic banter while doing so. We're gonna have people that could actually cook and then people who may be more relatable.
I have the very basic, cooking with your mom, learning how to cook type of experience. Nothing professional whatsoever. Just enough to not burn down the house.
Mine is basically just eggs in a microwave.
We've known each other since high school. We've been friends ever since, and we've been hanging out with each other all the time. And it's been about 8 years now, and we decided, the next best thing to do with your best friend is to make a YouTube show. I wouldn't say anything too crazy, probably some easy level dishes to moderate dishes as we go along. Nothing that you couldn't follow or nothing that you couldn't do. Project Cook.